Good morning friends, welcome my another video tutorial. In this video we are discussing about the heart diseases. In this video we will discuss some introductory part of heart disease, types of heart diseases, symptoms, risk factors and some preventions. First we start from the introduction. Heart disease are one of the leading cause of death for men and women. Heart disease, also known as cardiovascular disease. Heart disease affected by or affects mostly circulatory system of our body. What is the role of circulatory system? The circulatory system enable the oxygenated blood from the heart to different parts of our body through arteries, and deoxygenated blood back to the heart through veins from the different part of our body. Heart disease may caused by high blood pressure, smoking, diabetes, lack of exercise, high blood cholesterol, poor diet and excessive alcohol consumption. High blood pressure results 13%, tobacco results 9%, diabetes 6% and lack of exercise result in 6%. Togetherly result in 17.9 million deaths, that is 34% in 2015 as compared to 12.3 million, that is 25.8% in 1990. More than 70 lakh people died due to heart disease according to the WHO. WHO means World Health Organization. This is the structure of human heart. Next part of our discussion is types of heart diseases. First type is congenital heart disease. This generally forms some deformities since the birth. Means this is general term for some deformities of heart that have been present since birth. For example, septal defect. If there is septal defect, there is a hole between two chambers of heart. Next type is arrhythmia. Arrhythmia means irregular heartbeat. For example, tachycardia and bradycardia. In tachycardia, our heartbeats are too fast, and in bradycardia, our heartbeats are too slow. Next type is coronary artery disease. Means it affects the coronary artery. The coronary artery supplies the heart muscle with nutrients and oxygen by circulating blood. Coronary artery supplies nutrients and oxygen to the heart through coronary artery. Coronary arteries can become damaged or disease due to plaques deposits in the artery. Plaques contain cholesterol. And next type is dilated cardiomyopathy. This is another type of heart disease. Sorry. The heart chamber become dilated as a result of heart muscle weakness and cannot pump blood properly. In dilated type of heart disease, heart cannot pump blood properly due to weakness. The most common reason is that not enough oxygen reach to the heart muscle due to coronary artery disease. means third type and fourth type, these are correlated to each other. This is usually affects the left ventricle. In dilated cardiomyopathy, usually left ventricle affects. Next type is myocardial infarction. It is also called as heart attack. Heart attack also called as cardiac infarction and also known as coronary thrombosis. An interrupted blood flow damage or destroy a part of heart muscle. This is usually caused by blood clots that develops in the coronary arteries as shown in figure. Next type is heart failure. Heart failure also known as congestive heart failure. Heart failure occurs when the heart does not pump blood properly around the body efficiently. Next type is hypertrophic cardiomyopathy. This is a genetic disorder in which the wall of left ventricle thickens, making it harder for the blood to be pumped out from the heart. This is leading cause of death of athletes. Sudden death in athletes. Athletes means players. A parents with hypertrophic cardiomyopathy has 50% chances of passing the disorders on their children. Our next part of our discussion is symptoms. I have mentioned some common symptoms. First one is palpitation, dizziness, shortness of breath, chest discomfort, weakness, a faster heartbeat, nausea, sweating, swelling of your ankle or feet, quick weight gain, means 2 to 3 pounds in a day possible. And next part of our discussion is risk factors. There are many risk factors for heart disease like age, tobacco, excessive alcohol consumption, unhealthy diet, family history of cardiovascular disease, raised blood pressure, that is hypertension, raised blood sugar, that is diabetes, raised blood cholesterol, and air pollution. Sometimes gender also one of the risk factor. So we start from tobacco. Tobacco increase the risk for heart disease and heart attack. Means tobacco consumption increase the risk of heart diseases. Next part is smoking. Smoking is another risk factor. Cigarette smoking can damage the heart and blood vessels, which increase your risk for the heart conditions such as atherosclerosis and heart attack. Nicotine raises the blood pressure. If blood pressure rise, there is a chances of heart attack. Carbon monoxide from the cigarette smoke reduce the amount of oxygen that your body can carry. Exposure to the second-hand smoke can also increase the risk for heart disease, even non-smoker. Next risk factor is age. Age is by far the most important risk factor in the developing heart diseases. It is estimated that 82% of people die due to the heart disease are 65 and above. Next, diet. Diet is one of the another risk factor. High dietary of saturated fat, trans fat, salt, and low intake of fruits, vegetables, and fish are linked to the heart attack risk. So, take healthy diet, take fruits, vegetables, fish. Okay, and next one is risk factor is obesity. Obesity means excessive body fat, excess body fat. Obesity linked to the higher bad cholesterol and triglyceride. Obesity linked to the bad cholesterol and triglyceride. So ultimately lowers the good cholesterol level. Obesity can lead to the high blood pressure and diabetes as well as heart disease. Next risk factor is genetics. Genetic factor influence the development of heart disease in men who are less than 55 years old and in women who are less than 65 years old. It means genetics is also one of the risk factor. And next part of our discussion is prevention, that is last part. Make sure that you get enough sleep. It means sleeping also most important. Keep your cholesterol and triglyceride level under control. Manage your stress, manage diabetes, means your blood sugar level. Get regular exercise, control your blood pressure, manage diabetes and control your blood pressure. Means manage your diet. Diabetes means maintain your blood sugar level, and control your blood pressure means don't take tension, maintain your hypertension or blood pressure level. Eat healthy diet. Limited alcohol means take limited alcohol. Don't smoke. Hope this video informative to you. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more updates. Thank you. Thanks for watching.